All right, guys, I got a viewer who is a Harley-Davidson rider, and this is advertised a Harley-Davidson helmet lock. Asked me to take a look at this guy. Let's see what we got here. All right, guys, I just took this out of the package. I haven't even had a chance to mess with the lock yet, and right away I can see some security issues with this thing. First of all, it is very heavy, and this is all out of machined aluminum, so very heavy-duty construction, nice finish on this thing, but that, of course, is offset by security problems, and I think you guys can probably see right away. Right here we have a roll pin, and that roll pin holds the shackle on, and it goes all the way through the lock, so all we'd have to do, get a punch out that roll pin, and then we could take the shackle, remove the helmet, and run away with it. I mean, that kind of defeats the whole purpose of locking up your very expensive helmet when you put something like that on there. The other thing is nice and shiny right here on the top, and it begs me for attention. Even if the D-rings were on here from a helmet, or even two helmets, there would still be enough room to take a hex wrench with the ball end and then reach in at an angle around those D-rings and basically take that screw out. Now, it's quite a long screw, so it might take several turns, but when you do that, the whole lock, the heavy machine part, remains on your handlebars, and the locking mechanism, the shackle, and your helmet pop right off. Very convenient carry-away package. So, this is not about physical attack, I get it, but why make physical attack so friggin' obvious? Anyway, let's see how well the lock does. Let me put it back together and mount it on a handlebar and see what kind of resistance that lock offers. All right, guys, I don't have a motorcycle, and this doesn't fit on my bicycle, but I found a 1-inch bar, fits on there pretty good. I got that thing tightened down. The more I look at this lock, the more I'm convinced it's designed by motorcycle helmet thieves. I mean, there's just so many weaknesses. Maybe the guy that built it once saw a helmet lock and then used that as the basis to design and produce this one. I don't know. When I unwrap the key, this is what I found. It is a wafer lock. It looks like about 6 wafers, but it is not double-sided. You'll notice the bitting on both sides of the key are identical, telling me only one side of this lock has wafers in it. When we turn it, you only have to turn it just a tiny bit, and then there's a spring in there that releases the shackle. Look how horrible that is. That roll pin would definitely release this shackle. And then I can remove the key, and when I push that back, it's a spring-loaded locking pawl, so I could probably shim it. Oh, what else can go wrong? I'm not going to shim it, but we are going to pick it. Now, if you don't get a chance to see the key, to see that it's single-sided, you can always tell. Just get your tensioner, push it in there, and look down inside of there, and you can see, in this case, all the wafers are on this side, and when we look over there, there's nothing on the top there. So I'm going to take my tensioner and just kind of wedge them up on that side, nothing to disturb, and then grab yourself a rake of any kind. It doesn't really matter. Slide them in, apply. In this case, I'm going to try heavy tension to try to bully it, and then just rock it back and forth while you extract the pick, and you can get yourself a brand new, very expensive motorcycle helmet. Guys, this is ridiculous. $13.69. You're trying to prevent somebody from stealing a multi-$100 helmet with a $13 poorly designed lock. Not going to do it. Stay away from this thing. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal.